video. So we're going to take a look at her toys here. Like, this is not a toy, this is just for the swing, but I think this is a toy. So we're going to take a look at her. She has a headband, a dress, some pants and socks. So we're going to take a look at her toys. My cousin got me this, and by the way, hello. So we got Winnie the Pooh, and I didn't name her yet. We got a finger puppet. Wait, 1 second, guys. A finger puppet. Hello. And we got this bear. So I think we got some more. Oh yeah, got some more toys here. Oh. Let's see how she's doing. Oh yeah, we have this too. Just kidding. So she's doing good, reacting good. So the first video was 4th of July. 4th of July. So we're gonna end the video here. Let's say bye. Make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Bye. Bye.